guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. Today we're going to try out some new products from Covergirl that are the Outlast Active. We have a setting spray, liner, mascara. There's a few goodies to try out. So I'm going to do some gym makeup and then I'm going to go to the gym, work out really hard, and then see how it holds up. This makeup lasts up to 24 hours is what it says. So I'm really excited to try it out. First, I want to say thank you because they sent me the cutest little package. It was in like a little canister. They sent a Quest protein cookie and protein bar. I thought that was really cute to include in there. And then on the opposite side, you have the setting spray, mascara, and liner. They also included some really cute hair ties. I think you can get these at their store in Times Square, which is really cool. I would love to visit that store at some point. I think I'm gonna go for this black one down here and go ahead and put my hair up. So there's that. Now I am gonna use a foundation and primer from Covergirl just because I actually really love them. I'm gonna start with the Covergirl True Blend Base Business Pore Minimizing Skin Primer. This is one that I just really love. It somehow is hydrating and pore filling at the same time. It's just amazing because that combines like the two things that I actually need. Most pore primers I wouldn't put everywhere, but this one I actually can. And I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I have the shade L20, which is a pretty good match for me. I'm not gonna go heavy in foundation because obviously just going to the gym, and ordinarily I wouldn't even really wear foundation, but there are some days where I want to go like run errands or do time sensitive things and then go to the gym afterwards. So it would be nice to have a little bit of something on. It has great coverage too. That wasn't even a full pump that covered my whole face. I'm gonna throw on just a little tiny bit of concealer. I really wouldn't wear a ton going to the gym or even on a like no makeup day because, and this is Tarte Shape Tape and this one has such good coverage that I feel like it's almost overdoing it on a no makeup day to even use this one. So I'm gonna go very lightly. I'm gonna set with a little Laura Mercier powder, just something that I know and love. You can see I'm kind of skipping my under eye powder step, but on a no makeup day or a light makeup day, I really don't go through as many steps. So I'm gonna keep it a bit simpler. I'm gonna bronze with Marc Jacobs, the Tantastic. This one's easy because I can swirl my brush in here and just dust it on and know that it's going to blend well. I really wanna try the Covergirl, is it the chocolate bronzer? Or they have a newer bronzer out or a redone one. And I hear really good things about it. And it's got a little glow to it, which would be nice. So this is just to add a little bit of color so I don't look so even all over. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on with this Glam Glow highlighting palette. I'm using a larger brush because I want it to just be a little bit more diffused. Next, I'm gonna try out the Get In Line Active Liner. Just like these. Ooh, that is richly black. Okay, there's one little line. It does take just a moment to dry down, so just be mindful of that if you pick it up. It's not like a lot of liners that will just dry immediately and look dry. This one also looks like a little gel-ish as it's going on, but it's so opaque. It's very unique, but I'm really liking it so far. That wing decided to be a little bit more intense, so I'm just gonna even them up. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I really should throw on some brows because I look insane. So now that we got brows on, I don't look quite as crazy. Now I'm gonna try the Covergirl Lash Blast Active Mascara. So let's open this up. I really like the last one, the Peacock one, and I like the primer too. And there was another one. They've come out with some good mascaras. So this one, I'm gonna try to show you both angles. So it looks kind of flat. You can turn it. So let's try it out. Mascara actually looks really nice. I actually just like this mascara, period. My lashes will never curl with just mascara. Like I need like a curler and then a waterproof and then a regular to keep them really curled, but it's doing really nice. So the last thing we have is the Covergirl Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. This says it locks makeup in place all day, seals your look so it's smudge proof. Okay, so it's smudge proof, transfer proof, and humidity proof all day. Microfine mist has a lightweight, breathable feel, suitable for all skin types and dermatologically tested. Okay. This smells like something I know. I will say that you do need to go out a little bit further with this one. It's got a nice long spray, so if you go out far enough, it feels light. If you go in too far, it's going to feel a little heavy. That's like a lot of setting mist. This kind of smells like, it smells like some sort of hairspray I've used in the past that I really like the smell of, so don't get me wrong. There's like a hint of cucumber, but there's something else. So I think I've sprayed plenty of that. This is how my makeup is looking. Just gonna take a quick look and then I am off to the gym. I'm not gonna work out for an incredibly long time, but I'm gonna do some pretty high intensity stuff. So I will be sweating my butt off. And usually I can't help but like wipe my face. Like I'll do this and like put my face. So it's really gonna be put to the test. This feels really nice. If this lasts through my workout and really looks good, I need to go buy more because my makeup, like on a daily at work, I get super hot at work. Everybody else is cold. I'm sweating. I'm like, please turn the air on, and everybody's like, I'm cold. So yeah, I could definitely use something that's smudge proof and humidity proof and all of that mess. So here we go. Now I'm off to the gym and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I just got back from working out. Sorry if I sound a little out of breath. My gym is so close to the house that I literally got off the elliptical maybe 5 minutes ago, and I am pretty astounded at how my makeup looks. If you haven't seen me after a workout, you can watch some of my vlogs. I'm usually bright red, and even usually when I have makeup on, you can still see it because the makeup's just like wearing off and you can see all the redness. But this is so amazing. Like I probably have so much redness underneath. I almost kind of want to like take it off so you can see. Now granted, this foundation does have great coverage. That's why I love it so much. And it wears pretty well, but usually not through sweating. So what I did was about 45 minutes of like high intensity cardio. This was just the day that I wanted to do that. So I didn't do a lot else. I did a little bit of free weights beforehand just to work my arms. And then I did all that cardio. I am so impressed right now. I'm about to shower, so I'm gonna take off a little bit of my makeup and show you what my skin's looking like underneath because I'm sure it's quite different. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and gently try to remove a spot so that you guys can see. So you can see how red I am underneath this. That's like no joke. That's what I look like after working out. For whatever reason, my skin just gets super red, and I'm being really gentle. That's what my skin is actually looking like underneath, and this makeup stayed in place so well. I even caught myself one time like wiping my forehead like this, like I didn't have makeup on. It's like not disturbed at all. Not to mention that this eyeliner didn't go anywhere, mascara didn't go anywhere. It looks really good. So I would recommend this not just for working out, but like if you have trouble with your makeup staying on. I think this did a great job because normally, even though I used a great foundation and I set it with a great powder, it would still wear. Like that's just what happens when you become sweaty and oily from working out. Wow, I'm really impressed. So, and not to mention this swatch too that I put on my hand right before I did my eyeliner is not going anywhere. I'm like rubbing with fury right there. It's like not budging. So I'm so impressed. Highly recommend all of these products. The mascara I actually like, and if you guys have watched my videos, I'm very picky about mascara. Like even ones that people love, I'm like, ugh, garbage, don't like it. So I'm really picky when it comes to that, and I'm becoming less and less red. It was even like more intense, I'm sure, because when I go with no makeup on, I'm almost sometimes like embarrassed that my face gets so freaking red, and then I don't think about it, and then somebody will look at my way and I'm like, oh god, I'm sure I look like a tomato right now. It is nice to have this option, and even my brows stayed in place better, and I think maybe the setting spray had something to do with that. Usually I'll sweat and my brows will kind of come apart, and I didn't set it with a brow gel either. So yeah, that's what everything looks like afterwards. I'm so grateful that they sent me this, and it says snap, post, recycle. So cute. So yeah, I'm really grateful for these items. I definitely want to try out. I think they have either a foundation or a tinted moisturizer in the active line as well, so I definitely want to try more products. I'm so encouraged though. Covergirl's really been killing it. Like if you're at the drugstore, you want cruelty free, you want affordable, you want good quality, absolutely pick up some Covergirl. I am not usually a drugstore foundation kind of girl. but this has been like my ride or die for months and months. I love this foundation. I'm probably gonna put it back on before I go to work, just to be honest. I think I'm gonna wear the same thing essentially to work today. I'll do a little bit more makeup, of course, but I think I want to wear this again, and I will definitely show you guys in my vlog after a long day at work what it looks like, because I'm sure it'll look just as good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick review and gym tested of all these great products. I'm so impressed. I know I've said that 100 times. Sorry, I'm repetitive, but wow, this is pretty good. So thank you guys again. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
It was good.